number 1542-8, please tell me something about yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I am Gority Ramon. I am 39 years old. I have two children, one daughter and one son. And then I have two siblings, one brother and a sister. I graduated from University of Baguio. I took up BS Biology and a graduate of from MMS as a caregiver.
Okay, please tell me something about your working experience.
I went to Hong Kong last August 27, 2010, and I finished that one February 2012. I didn't finish the contract.
Okay, so how many persons have you served?
I have four, the parents, and then two children, 15 years old and then 13 years old.
So what were your main duties inside the house?
Okay, so from morning, I prepare the breakfast of the parents because they will go to the work earlier at 6 a.m. And then after that, the two kids, I will accompany them at their school, and then if I will go back to the house, I will do all the household chores, which is the washing of dishes, the cleaning, and then the laundry, and also the ironing.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As I am the eldest of the family, and as the eldest, I am the breadwinner of the family. And my parents can have no work today because they are already old, so I am responsible for them. At the same time, I'm also a single mother, so I am responsible for my two children.
So do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
Yes, example of them, mom, is steamed chicken, steamed fish, and then we have also the fried vegetables. I also know how to cook soup, like for example the apple soup, the pear soup, and then the Buddha soup.
Okay, so what are your other skills you can do inside the house?
Okay, so I can do hand sewing also, and then outside the house, I can also do the car washing and then the gardening.
So what are the good characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Okay, as a domestic helper, you must abide by the laws of the country and at the same time obey the rules and regulations of your employer. And you must be honest, trustworthy, and patient.
Lastly, what are your message to your future employer?
Okay, so ma'am, if you will take me as your helper, I will do my best and I promise to finish my contract. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.